Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys saw my shorts. Like I think I posted 30 minutes back. So and I promised last week that we will be unboxing some Johnny Lightning this week. So let's start with that. So here it is. So Shelby Cobra. And again, say I'm not going to unbox every day this week. So it will be like alternate day basis, and I'm ending it with Saturday as well. So we are going to unbox four castings 4 days because these are actually very pricey, and I'm it is really hard for me to track and get these castings and unbox on daily basis. That is like, I will go bankrupt if I'm doing that. So, and on top of that, Hot Wheels, I'm not getting really that much of Hot Wheels nowadays. So whatever I'm getting, I'm unboxing most of the time. So here is Chevy Nova SS. So this one comes with this coin. I really wanted to see, what this coin is made of. I never actually unboxed something which had this coin. I do have some more Johnny Lightnings in my, like premium box, but I never unboxed those so far because most, like 99% of the time, people ask me to unbox Hot Wheels. So I never actually even touched it. So this week we are going to do it. So here is one of my favorite cars actually, the Super V, Dodge Super V. So these are the four castings which we are going to unbox this week. And more specifically, this is for the people who asked for some premiums, and more specifically to one of my good friend Lee, who actually reminded me a couple of times last week that he's waiting for my Johnny Lightning unboxing. So here it is. So I will add more and more of this Johnny Lightning and other premiums as well. Even I showcased one Mustang. I mean, two pieces of Mustang, but both are same but different colors by Maisto. So I will be doing that muscle machine week in some time. So stay tuned for that as well. So for this week, we are going with this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.